This is December 19th, I believe, and as you can see, we are buried in snow. Let's take a walk out here for a second. Check this out. Snowdrift is just about buried one of my planters on the patio. Take a walk back down over here. You see all the bushes and shrubs covered with snow. My sidewalk, which I have to shovel again. I've already done it twice. Pan up here, look at the pine tree covered with the snow. I'm gonna take a look down here. You can see that the car is buried again. I've already broomed it off once. It looks like I'm gonna have to go out there and broom it off again. That's it from here. Lovely, lovely, lovely snow. They're saying that it's already about 10 inches of snow has fallen. So, sure does look pretty though.